Alright, let's unbox it. So first you get the keys, which there's 2 of them in here, of course. Basically, if you're really watching how to do this from my video, which is weird, but okay. The torsion bar, the keys sit like this in the truck, right? Torsion bar goes through it, then goes out to the suspension, so the lower control arm and all that. And then that's what lifts the whole suspension up or down, depending on what you're doing. A lot of people lower this Tahoe or lift it. So you definitely get shock lifters. So this is for the front, lifts the shocks a little better, so the ride's a lot better. So if you on blocks. So I got a spring compress from Advanced Auto Parts, and compress the springs, put the block under 3-inch block. So we're going 3-inch all around, and then slide it under. Almost 150. I started this at 2. This is how it's sitting. Got all the springs in. This, for the first time, that was hard. Getting the springs to fit around, but I haven't put the front keys in yet because I gotta go find a tool better than a C-clamp. I'll show you how to do it when I get to it, but for right now, that's how it's sitting. You can definitely tell the back is a lot higher if you've seen the previous videos. So this is where it kind of basically sat at. Yeah. So there's your torsion key. Is your key. I got a hammer, and then torsion bar unloader, or if you got one with the kit, that works too. This is a little unsafe. I just drove my truck, so it's a little hot under here, but I literally should have lifted the truck higher. I got a hammer because you see this hole right here? That's the torsion bar running through, and every video I watched they said hit that so you could unload just knock it back when you get it all up. Here's the stopper I'm talking about. So here's the screw. Let's do it right. There should be a hole right at this placement where this finger is. So it's the next day. Me and my dad grinded last night and got the torsion bars away from the keys finally. Sprayed hella PB blaster on it, and now the truck's all lifted. All we have to do is put the shock extenders on and then level it out and take it for a test drive. So yeah, that wraps it up for this video, pretty much. 3-inch leveling kit, pretty noticeable. Shit, I think I might put 33s on it if I have this truck long enough. But my plan is to sell it, get the Dodge Charger. My overall opinion on this kit, got it off of Amazon, 3-inch leveling kit. It is a lot higher. It sits about as high as my dad's truck, and I feel like the ride got a lot better. That's gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share with family and friends, and stay blessed. Peace out.